You hear that? That's the sound of America. Creating, building, winning. And that can never stop. We won't let it. Our muscle runs deep. We've built almost everything. Cars, trucks, hell, even tank engines. But you know what we won't build? The same damn thing as everyone else. We do it different, and we do it first. Because if you ain't first, you're last. The Dodge brothers knew that. When that other guy told them to stick to making parts for their cars, they said, screw that. Let's do our own thing, build something new. From there, we never slowed down. And when performance came into its own, we didn't build trim packages. We started a movement with 3 letters that every Mopar fan holds sacred, SRT. Then we took the heart of the Viper and gave it to a Ram. That's 500 horsepower and set a Guinness World Record for the fastest production truck in the world. For the last 12 months, we've had our head down, rebuilding. We brought back the Hemi V8, we went back to NASCAR, and we gave you the best warranty in the business. And just recently, we resurrected the Ram TRX SRT, 777 supercharged Hemi V8 horsepower, the most powerful gas production truck in the world. Resurrected from the sand, for the sand. But you don't commute through the dunes. The streets demand muscle. That's why we're building the world's first lineup of muscle trucks. This is the all-new Ram 1500 Rumblebee. 5.7-liter V8, 395 horsepower, 0 to 60 in just over 6 seconds, and only 1 battery. It has 4-wheel drive for maximum traction and rear-wheel drive for when you want to have some fun. Exclusive quad cab, short bed design, drop stance, street tune suspension, and full wide body. You don't give up the back seat, the bed, or the practicality. We're talking real capability, real payload, and no compromises. For most trucks, that would be the headline. But for the Rumblebee, that's just the starting line. This is the 392 Hemi Apache with 470 horsepower. You've been asking for this forever. The legendary 392 Hemi in a light duty. Purpose-built, performance-focused, and an interior with everything a muscle truck demands. 0 to 60 in the 5s, same 4 doors, same capability, but a lot more attitude. Some people just can't stay retired. Come on, Smoke. At least give me the jump.
Does this guy ever stop talking?
Welcome to the jungle, won't it bring you to your
Give me the SRT.
There he is. Outside the truck going through.
Now that's the last 10th. This is the supercharged Hemi Rumblebee SRT. 0 to 60 in the 3s, 777 horsepower.
All right, I see you. That's what I'm talking about.
The fastest production truck ever.
Welcome